Hello everyone, I'm Ongja Emphum and today I'm gonna explain about what is industrial engineering and why I pursue it. Well, it all started when I was a child and started watching National Geography and Discovery Channel. In National Geography, there was a show called Mega Factory and Giga Factory, and in Discovery Channel, there was a show called Food Factory. By watching this show, I really got amazed how cool the technology really can be. Just look at the automations which is done over here, the automatic filling, automatic packaging, and massive productions. By watching this show, I just thought, the person who built this factory would have a god level knowledge, and I really wanted to become a god. And that's why I took science, and that's where I joined industrial engineering in National Institute of Technology, Rourkela, India. So, what we learn in industrial engineering? Industrial engineering is all about producing in large quantity. That is, if I tell you to cook 1 package of Maggi, you can do it pretty easily with good taste. But if I tell you to cook 20,000 packets of Maggi, now it becomes difficult for you. Now you need a knowledge of engineering and engineering mathematics. And that's what we study in industrial engineering, how to do something in large quantity. Industrial engineering have 3 core concepts. In manufacturing, we learn how to produce a product in large quantity. Here, we learn the process of forging, forming, bending, punching, welding, cutting, and all the necessary process which is used in a factory to produce a product in large quantity. In order to run the factories, we need to know how to manage a factory. And that's where we learn how to build a company. Where in company, we learn about human resource management. That is what is president, what is vice president, what is senior manager, what is junior manager, what is CEO, what is FEO. And we also learn about hierarchy and how to communicate within the hierarchy with most efficient way. So, once we build the company, once we manage the factory, and we get the product, now it is time to sell the products. In order to sell the product, we learn about marketing. Well, in marketing, we learn about mathematics of statistics and mathematics of probabilities. We learn about data sets. We extract the data from internet, cloud, server, database, or from simple survey, and we use our knowledge of statistics and probability to make the data sense. That is, how many percentage of people like the product, how many percentage of people don't like the product, and what is the most efficient changes that we can produce in the current product so that people start liking it and more people start buying it. So, in industrial engineering, we learn the entire entity of industry. Why industrial engineering matter for me? Well, it matters for me because it is going to give me a knowledge, skill, and experience required to complete my childhood fantasy, like building this advanced stuff and smart systems. After my college, I will spend most of my time building advanced stuff and smart systems, and I will become a god of my childhood dream. Why it matter for you? Well, as the General Republic of Arunachal Pradesh, every product in the market will become more cheaper and your life is gonna become more better. See, every product in Arunachal Pradesh have been imported from outside of the Arunachal Pradesh and beyond Northeast. There is a transportation cost, there is a border taxes which make the product in the market very pricey. But if we start producing a product in our own state, there will be no transportation costs, there will be no border taxes, and the product in the market will become more cheaper. For example, the price of the chickens will drop from 400 rupees to 200 rupees, and the price of the bicycle will drop from 7,000 rupees to 3,000 rupees, and all the fashion item that you saw in a supermarket will become more cheaper, and your life will become more better. So like this, industrial engineering is gonna help both of us. For me, I'm gonna complete my childhood dream, and for you, every product in a supermarket will become more cheaper and your life will become more better. Thanks for watching.